Hey, welcome to Let's Talk Development Football, where future stars and leaders of the game connect. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina ke babukeli ngumapholo bawufuze full mashiya amahle ngasezoshumayela iqadi unyuswa silana ke next center ePimville eWalter Sisulu Clinic Soccer Challenge edume ngokuthi Discovery sinenhlanhla kakhulu babukeli bethu emakhaya namhlanje sijoyne one of the best yama left back or left attacking players edlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs uKabelo Ngwetsa odume ngelikaMatlaba elokishini. Matlaba, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Sanibonani, ngegama nguKabelo Ngwetsa, ngilalela iKaizer Chiefs, ngilalela ngiphuma eSoweto Snake Park.
Ekasi eSoweto eSnake Park esinekeneke uMatlaba ubuya khona. Babukeli bethu is playing for iDDC eKaizer Chiefs une senior team contract. He was there eHolland babehambe for i-preseason. Kade hambile neDDC kade se-England ewine against Manchester United ubekadlala uMatlaba. Last season he was a player of the season yeDDC eKaizer Chiefs, a very good player. Matlaba, awusiqale nje usitshele ngejeni yakho. Iqala kuphi ijeni yakho wena as a player?
Mina ngisuka eSnake Park, ngaqala ukudlala ibhola ngisasencane. Kodwa futhi because bekadlala ibhola but then akafika professionally. So I think uyomotivate kakhulu since nakakhona ukufika professional ukuthi mina ngenze make sure ukuthi ngiyafika. So ngisebenza each and every day ukuthi ngibe la ngifuna ukuba khona manje.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke njengoba esho uMatlaba babukeli bethu sebenze kakhulu ukuthi afike la efuna ukufika khona namhlanje. Matlaba, inhloso yalo uhlelo lethu ukufundisa abantwana basemakhaya amase underprivileged homes abangenayo leyo nhlanhla esinayo thina abanye ukuthi sifike la sifika khona. Ukuthi bafunde about development football, ukufundisa abazali ngokubaluleka kwe-development football yonke nokupromotha ke-development football yonke e-South Africa. Sibonile ku-under 17 yenze kahle kakhulu ku-World Cup, under 20 yenze kahle kakhulu ku-World Cup. Nani nihambile nayo dlala against Manchester United, against Leeds, and you managed to do well against those teams. Mawucabanga i-development e-South Africa, out of 10 ungayinika bani?
I think ngifuna ukuthi ngiphethe kakhulu but then mangathi side lami ngasho ukuthi kuma-6 because
There's still a lot to be done.
Yeah, there's still a lot because uyabona mawudlala namateam angale the way bamuva ibhola ngakhona, the way baphasana ngakhona technically. So leyo nto leyo I think into eshoda ngayo those small details, shooting yabo izinto ezisimple. Thina sibona ngathi izinto ezisimple zilula futhi na but then lezo zinto lezo zibalulekile.
Fanele uyimaster.
So I think good development makungalungiswa lento leyo ngapha like uthi usakhulu usasentwana wenze lezo zinto lezo ama-shooting, passing each and every day, and then I don't think ukuthi ngakufuna ama-software professional kuzoba lula for wena.
Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu. Uhlala namhlanje lokufundisa ifuna wonke umuntu obuka namhlanje abukisa ingane yakhe edlala ibhola, abukisa ubhuti wakhe odlala ibhola ukuze bafunde izinto eziningi ezibalekile ebholeni from one of the best players. Matlaba, ibaluleke ngani relationship yomzali nomntwana mangabe edlala ibhola? Since wena sewufike lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kubaluleke ngani ukuthi kube naleya relationship enhle between umzali nomntwana? Siyazi abanye abazali bazothi ibhola liyakubambezela esikoleni, ibhola liyakuphazamisa uzenza izinto zasekhaya. So kubaluleke ngani ukuthi kube ne-relationship enhle between umzali nomntwana odlala ibhola?
I think kubaluleke kakhulu because for mina umama beka supportive kakhulu. I think that's why mina ngila ngikhona namhlanje and ngisupportana namhlanje. Bengasho next ngisakhula ama-pops lezo zinto lezo. And I think as much as bengidlala ibhola bekangibonisa both sides ukuthi okay
nokubaluleka kwesikole
nasesikoleni because awazi ngayenza kanjani but then ngiyazi ukuthi u-talented and you're gonna make it. So leyo nto leyo ingipushe kakhulu mina because bengazi ukuthi ngiyadlala ibhola but at the same time nami singenze into ezomjabulisa as much as nami angifumela
ukuthi wenze into oyithandayo.
Baluleke kakhulu relationship.
Usayishilo-ke babukeli bethu uMatlaba uKabelo akaNkwesa, uKaizer Chiefs player ku-DBC. Matlaba, udlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uhambile ne-team waya ku-pre-season camp, you were part of the team, udlalile amanye ama-game. Khona into engifuna sifundise abantwana lana, emva kwalokho wabuyela wadlala ku-DBC. Omunye uzothi mhlampe ayibuke njenge-setback leyo nto. Wena uyithathe kanjani leyo nto as a player? Sifuna ukufundisa iy'ntwana ezisemakhaya because kunama-team adlalayo ama-Discovery, ama-tournament amakhulu, intwana ingalitholi ithuba lokudlala bese ibona engazuthi hayi ibhola ngiyaliyeka or i-give up. So wena uyithathe kanjani leyo nto njengomdlali?
I think leyo nto leyo ibuyela i-mentality yakho.
Yeah,
As a player mele i-mentality yakho
Ibe strong.
sharp because awazi ngayenzakalani khona ama-player asuke from PSL ayodlala ku-ABC.
Yeah,
So but for mina I think because mina bengifuna i-game time yabo.
yeah.
And since ngingayitholi i-game time
Ku-senior team, yeah.
i-game time ngizoyithola
Ku-DDC.
and then the more I play, the more
Ugrow now,
ngigrow
develop as a
nami.
player.
Yeah. Even na much knowledge because ku-PSL it's fast, yonke into yenzeka fast.
Yeah,
There's large isincane space sokuthi ukwenza ama-mistake.
yeah.
So
yeah.
kumele each and everything uyenze ngendlela right. So for mina I think hayi ukuthi ngibuyele emuva empilweni. I think ngisafunda and
Yeah.
once ngiyithola i-chance yami I think
You will grab it with both hands.
ngizoyibamba ngezandla zethu.
Siyabonga kakhulu Matlaba useshilo-ke. Uyela emuva isiZulu sithi ukuhlehla kwenqama akusho kuphela kodwa ukuyokhokha amandla. Naye uMatlaba uyasho-ke ukuthi ukubuyela kwakhe ku-DDC ukukhokha kwakhe amandla. So zonke iy'ntwana ezisemakhaya ucoach mekubeke ngaphandle or engakuselekthanga for a certain game akusho ukuthi awudingeki or akusho ukuthi you are not good enough. Matlaba siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi ube nathi mfethu. Uhlelo lwethu njengoba ngishilo i-Let's Talk Development Football. Inhloso yethu ukupromotha i-development football yase South Africa as a whole. Siyabonga kakhulu. Na umbuzo enginawo wokugcina njengoba sila kuma-Walter Sisulu Clinics. Le edume nge-Discovery. Nawe ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyidlalile previously. Ikusiza kanjani i-tournament efana nale i-development of a player?
I think first thing ukudlala ebantwini abangaka.
Qala lapho, yes.
Siza kakhulu because uzothi mawufika professionally so ujwayele ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani.
I-stage flights awusenazo.
Awusathubanga so mina ngisizile because bese ngazi ukuthi okay mangaqale ngithola i-confidence ebholweni and then seyasuka so yasiza kakhulu lama-tournament and abantu akumelanga bawathathe kancane because ungabona umuntu agcokile mara umazi ukuthi uphuma point but if scout or
so
kumele uzimisele each and every game.
Useshilo-ke babukeli bethu kuzona zonke iy'ntwana ezibukela la ezidlala kuma-Walter Sisulu Clinics nakwamanye ama-tournament akhona around eGauteng. Dlala uzimisele ngoba wazi ubani okubhekile. Siyabonga kakhulu Matlaba. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Nami ngiyabonga nami ngibe kule part of
Siyabonga kakhulu Matlaba.
Yabonga.
Sharp. So sipha nje